Back at it again. Still a little still a little out of it. Anyway, it's Cordova week. I just started making everything yesterday, Monday. Not bad. Got 2 cars printed and ready to go. How dirty are you? And then all of this stuff is theirs too. There's 4 cars here. Is the last one. I haven't designed this one. Well, I have designed it, but it's gonna be the same design from last year. A couple changes. I have all this stuff for the first 2 cars done. I'm just gonna install some of it now to feel like a win, because sitting at the printer for hours on end and getting stuff made while I'm preparing other stuff to be made in the computer can get a little boring and feel like I haven't done anything. I'm gonna install some stuff that should motivate me to keep going, because sitting around just while you're getting stuff done, you don't really feel like you're getting stuff done. You guys that do this probably understand that feeling. So yeah, let's put some stuff on. My tools back in order. Easy. Hold on a second there. All right, we'll head over to the Bicknell warehouse over here and grab some pieces we need. Oh, my phone's going off. It's a text message. My father, do you have any AA batteries? That is none of your business. I love messing with my father. We need 2 of these, 1 of these, 1 of these. Now these are the newer style prints that I've been doing. So they are already cut, but I have been running into a little problem. Well, it's not a problem so much as it's an annoyance. First part of it, lining up those holes, hits this stuff here, and it's really kind of annoying. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this off of here and then a little bit off of that and see if that helps. May actually take the time to do all this to aid in lining up those holes. And then while this is still quicker than the way I was doing it, I think I could still make it better. I think it's even easier this way. What's happening is this is catching, the paper's catching on that and that. I could have, so if I can lay that out to where it misses that, I think it would aid in. Get, come on. I think it would aid in lining those up a little bit better. But other than that, this has been working out rather nicely. There's the heat. I'll get it. That looks good. This one I'm gonna do a little different. And I'd say that's a little easier. All right. Blue. I do not feel well still. Whoa, primer. Oh, come on, dry. A little heavy on the primer there. There we go. Of course, this doesn't want to stay up in there where it belongs. Usually fits in there tight and I don't have to put buttons in it. So let's see if we can't mess it up. Wow, that really went overboard there. Oh yeah, now you want to stay in there, don't you? Oh, of course you will. help. I'm really not into this right now. It's very hard to do this stuff when you're not enjoying it. You know what I mean? Yeah, that works. Prime some bead rolls. That guy and this guy. Like so. Right, there you go. And that's done. Looks nice. Dirt. I put something on the table before that had dirt on it, and now everything's dirty. That's how it happens. That's how it starts. All right, we got this guy. Oh, I'm losing breath. There you go. Well, sorry, a little bit of color in there. Just, you know, a little splash of, look at me. Just something to catch your eye. That was fun. There we go. Nice. Just wrinkle it. All right, now that should be symmetrical because yeah, it's pretty close. That's done. Next. All right, that. That's pretty sweet. Somebody's beeping outside. Cover these edges. A little long. Probably could have brought that back to the back a little bit more, but the part of the design got right to the edge, and if more I moved it back to aid in that, I would have lost these white points. So there's also going to be a thing there, so it really doesn't matter. But that just means we have to trim this now, where I typically don't have to. But, oh, where'd you go? There you are. That's quick trim. And then that's done. All right, finishing up this video with a roof. We got to all that stuff. Get a roof from the warehouse. Finished up all that all that stuff before somebody came in, so I was working while I was talking. But that, and the heat kicks on. But all these are done. Let me turn the heat off. It never fails. Every time. Every time I start talking, I literally just turn the camera on, heat kicks on. So I did those. I don't have the pieces that go with them, so the last 4 or 5 inches of the prints are there. They can put them on once they mount them on the car. Not a big deal. No, this stuff is, the centers is good. So for these cars, what's left is just the roofs and the sides, and that's all over there on those rolls made up. Hopefully by the end of this week, I'll be back kind of back on track and get into some newer stuff, and then trucks and some other stuff that I got to get done. I usually don't have a lot of truck lettering this time of year, but it seems that this year is an exception. Actually got to dip out of here tomorrow to do some bus work, which is gonna throw this off schedule for my goal for the week. But yeah, they got away from me. That's what happens when you do everything yourself. Scheduling, ordering, design, print, install, clean, everything. I'm the only one here. This is my least favorite time of year, mainly because it's so hectic. If you do this kind of work and you do a lot of race cars, you know exactly what I'm talking about. And then throw in the mix getting sick, and yeah, takes a special kind of idiot. So I try to now do only have 1 or 2 cars in here at the same time. It actually helps me be productive. Saying all this, and there's, you know, the only reason these guys have them all here at the same time is they're from Connecticut, so they're an hour 20 from me. And to save them trips, I said bring them all down at once, and I'll have them for a week. And that was a couple weeks ago, because then I got sick. But normally there wouldn't be 4 of them sitting there, and all this stuff I'm waiting for it to get picked up. So once those 4 are gone, I should just be going 1 or 2 at a time. I feel like I got to get it all done at once, and that is virtually impossible. Remember the days that everybody only had 1 car also. All right, well, that'll do that video. There's 4 cars. I could probably split it up into 3 videos. Getting into the cool stuff after this. The sides here and there. And then that stuff is done. As centers, these cars are flying now that I have all those things templated out, which is fun. But that'll do it. It's about 7:30. I'm going home. Get back tomorrow morning and jump into these sides. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share, comment. Do all those things. We'll see you on the next one.